Hey guys, today I'm gonna show y'all how to edit pictures in Google Photos on Xiaomi Redmi 9A. So firstly, open up Google Photos. Now tap on the picture that you would like to edit. Now tap on edit here at the bottom. You're going to see different sections of editing, and after you've done your editing, all you have to do is just tap on save copy in the bottom right corner. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.